An ex-ice cream shop owner taught me this. Just 3 ingredients for a super creamy treat. In a bowl, we'll start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. Next, we'll add 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then add 200 grams of very cold whipping cream mix. Now just beat everything together really well. You can use a whisk like I am, or even use a mixer if you prefer. And this, folks, is the perfect consistency. Just look how beautiful it is. Now let's transfer it to plastic cups. We'll add popsicle sticks to all the cups. Then freeze them until they are firm. Once done, folks, just remove from the cup and see how creamy it is. To finish, I'm dipping it in chocolate, but that's optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Now everyone, it's time to enjoy. Look how beautiful and delicious it is. Try making this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time and take care.